To measure the disc, use the tape measure or handy depth tool to determine if you need to make an adjustment. Measure from the disc hub, which is 6 inches wide. New discs are 18 inches, and typically an adjustment needs to be made when the disc is down to 17 inches. Our simple tool shows an adjustment is needed here. To adjust for disc wear, we will raise the seed boot. The notches are 1/4 inch each. The factory setting for the Mark II opener is between the bottom and center visual guide. We will move the scraper up 2 notches, or 1/2 inch. This will bring the separation back to 1.5 inches between seed and fertilizer. We will then need to adjust the opener depth and drill frame to account for this. Make sure any dirt has been removed and the scraper is seated properly. Retorque after about 200 acres. Once moved 2 notches, or 1/2 inch, the scraper will locate between the top and middle visual guide. Move the packer wheel 2 settings deeper. Check for any dirt built up behind the packer arm and remove to ensure it stays tight. Finally, remove 2 red or 1/4 inch shims from the frame cylinders, or a total of 1/2 inch total. These 3 steps will keep your depth settings and allow you to continue to wear the disc to 16 inches before changing. The way we keep track of these settings is by remembering 2-2-2. Seed boot up 2 notches, packer wheel 2 notches deeper, and remove 2 1/4 inch spacers from the drill frame.